Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Fairphone 5, and in this video I am going to show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just open our Google Photos app, and right here we have to choose the photo that we want to hide, for example this one. So we have to hold on this photo, and right here we have to swipe to the right where we have move to locked folder. Then we have to click continue, move, and as you can see now this photo is hidden in locked folder. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!